Hello everyone, my name is Fernando Martin. This is Boyaca'S Folklore. The first point is music. Music, carranga. Jorge Velosa Ruiz is a unique history in Colombian music that traveled in three styles: the carrangeros Racra, Velosa, and the Flores Brothers, Jorge and carrangeros styles in which of Boyacense music has been founded and thanks to a recording of Colombia on numerous international tours. The carranga was founded from four songs that have been named the Jones columns after the applause of public recognition. First song is Julia, 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 and the second song is La Cucharita, the third song is Por fin se van a casar, and the fourth is Perinola. Okay, second point is typical of street salt. It's a good water salt that is characterized by being colorful, which evidences the influence of the time when the churches used buckets of different colors of the rays of salmons that today are reflected in cannulated blouses, scarves, and mantillas. This is example. It's okay. The third point is the food. Some examples. Jacob, he was with avocado, with Boyaca'S is still caught with Malal Sporting Providers, Salahon, overpowering and in clubs. Thank you very much.